Na po maputot kung na naman nga umpisan tamo, but rather mas mag-grow pa yung relationship tamo na buo. At sana rin po through gatherings sa pong dingding sessions tamo together, sana mas maging malapit tamo with each other. Ang popong sana mas alwa mo po retang din tangan yung may balik ng bayan ring akit mi pa. Sana po mas makit kami pang manakit kami pang akalala mila pa rin mas dakal pang alumni, old alumni, ang pong young alumni syempre. At sana po na po mawala in nano maning may established na as org mates. Rest assured po, kami rin po tang alumni na kami, makanyan din po sana I'm positive with that kasi ikit may kung makanano kayo po ka willing na i-rebuild ulit ang pong i-establish in communication tamo. At pasalamat kami po ket ang pepakit yung makanta. Galingan tamo. Ampong, sana mas masigasig tapa para kayong org, para kayong service to sa Kapampangan people. To Lori, be strong. Hold on. Basta na ka man may punta kayong posisyon yan kung eme deserve. So I think just be firm and everything will come into place. To G-Boy, buddy, kagaling tamo ne, pareho katang exam. Blue family! Ali, proud ko dahil buddy da ka, syempre. Basta asahan mo yung suporta mi. Suporta ako. King pautakan, king coming pautakan. Tsaka I think agyo mo naman yan. King akakit ko so far. Good luck. To Joms! It's okay. Everything will be fine. Jen! Pareho ka tang CMC. As usual, tang CMC. Obviously, maganda lang. Sana, pero apansin ko talagang ika, kaya, in-improvement na ako nga sabi kayo ka. Talagang atin ka talagang pag-asa yata. Or kayo na yata Pero, anyway, talagang good luck na mo king committee projects mo. I know you're doing well. So, keep up the good work. To Marco, inte. Ano ba? Job well done. Kasi, we're almost there. Kasi, yarining up process and you've done, I mean, everything almost perfect. Yikes. Ali kasi magaling ko talaga. I mean, ikit ko yung iretang down smooth regarding the process itang pamagkasakit mo. Pero, magaling ka kasi achieve mo ito. Daf! Lang masabi kang small but terrible president ng Agumon. I think I owe you a lot, especially tangteng kareng alumni tamo. I know it's my job, pero you're doing it for me mostly. Pero thank you. Aside from that, I mean you're an parang essential being na unify mo yung ganang mem. At ikang makantang power. Basta, I mean, I commend you for that na Eka man biyasang magkapampangan, eka man ganong kaya, pero a-achieve mong reach out nga ding ganaganang memes. Actually talagang from ding apps mo, feeling ko talagang nakita at home na kaya ka, tsaka ito ikaw responsible for making or alive. Talagang super alive because of Daphne as speechless ko kung Daphne lang masabi. As the whole, Aja! Shit. Galing ang tamo, and let's keep the spirit alive. Not for ourselves alone. Ito.